everyone. So I wasn't able to post this morning, and I'm not posting a video today. I might post it tomorrow depending on when they finish editing. I'm just batching videos now. Look at me, I'm a systems girl. I'm really locking in or leaning into the fact that systems help me stay in flow, because the machine keeps going. I'm still able to meet demands. I'm still able to meet deadlines as long as I have my team behind me. And I just wanted to share just like 3 things that really has helped me push my business over like to multiple 6 figures. And it's the first thing is letting go of control. Just hiring people that are good at what they do, to take over parts of your business. Like, you don't have to do everything. I was so used to being a solopreneur that it was just like, and then being in flow and working my business a certain way. And so I was resistant in hiring people unless like they really got that. But they don't need to be healers to work in my business. They have their own zone of genius, and so it's helpful that we are able to collaborate in this way. And then my business stays on track and continues to grow instead of me being the bottleneck in terms of increasing profits and increasing just the products and the launches and the deadlines. The second thing too is just because something hasn't been done or it's not a way that other people do it doesn't mean it's not going to be successful, because those things that people are doing now, they were first done by someone that it's never, certain methods and things were never done before someone actually did it and it worked. So you can be this person that doesn't do things according to industry standards or what other people are doing, and it just works, and then other people see that it works for you and they start doing it. But you don't have to follow the mold or the path or the business model, traditional business model, or you can create your own unique business model, and you can change it up whenever you wish because it's your business. And the third thing is I stopped worrying about people copying me or taking my work or working in groups and not getting credit, because I realized that I'm not replaceable. I'm a very unique being and soul. It could be another Nigerian girl with cheekbones and lights and vines behind her doing YouTube videos, but she is not Juliet. There's only one you. And so because I kept seeing it, a lot of people doing it, but it's fine because I didn't lose business. It doesn't take anything from me. And then eventually they stop doing it because it's not natural to them. And so when you tap into your gift and you tap into your groove and your method of bringing that gift to the world, no one can take that from you. You become irreplaceable.